Hello sugar plums, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful blue butterfly hair stick. It's super easy to make. All you need is gonna need some temporary tattoo, and hair stick, and basically that's it, and some UV resin. I am using wire to do my butterfly. I drew the butterfly, and then I'm gonna be using some tape to cover. That's one little tape that you can do if you do your drawing. If you want to use the same drawing over and over again, you can just use like tape and tape it, and kind of, it's the same thing as laminating it. And then now I'm just using resin tape, sticky side up, guys. Put the sticky side up, cover the whole butterfly with it, and then I put some packing tape to hold that tape back. And then because of the sticky side is up, you are able to kind of use your wire. And I'm using a size 4 wire. It's a 4mm wire I'm using to kind of bend and draw the butterfly itself. Now I'm gonna be using the wire, and I'm gonna be doing the ring individually, but I'm gonna be doing the top part by itself and the bottom part by itself, which means that you're gonna end up with 4 pieces of the butterfly by themselves. But I use a 4mm wire to draw the outer shape of the butterfly, and for the design inside, all the the veins of the butterfly, we're gonna be using a size 5, which is very thin, so it's easier for you to bend more. And beside, the veins in the butterfly is thinner than the other kind of bone of the butterfly. So this is what I'm gonna be I'm showing right now. But basically the wire is very soft anyway, and I use it, and you can use like a tweezer or like a pointy tape plier, or no a flat nose plier to kind of make the shape more prominent. And then this is one wing of the butterfly. You can see the bottom part and the top part, and then we're gonna go ahead and lay everything back, and then you're gonna go ahead and draw the inside shape, pattern of the butterfly. And then like I say, I use a size 5 to do this one. And then once everything, because it's already on the resin tape and it's sticky, everything's gonna be laying flat. Make sure everything is flat, there is like no gap. And then what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna go ahead and use a little bit of clear UV resin, and I'm using the Judiction UV resin, and then I'm gonna go ahead, while it's still on the tape, I'm gonna put a little bit of resin and to kind of hold the shape together, and then we'll go and move on from there. But yeah, this is something that you can do. Now if you want, you can just do like the wings of the butterfly in one, without doing the bottom and the top part by itself. But it was easier for me to do top and bottom part by itself. But I'm using like pliers and your fingers to kind of move, and cutting pieces of the wires that when you're doing the veins of the butterfly for the inside. It is super easy, guys. I love working with wires because I mean, you can create so many things, and it's super easy. Guys, let me know if you would like for me to put that butterfly design for you in the if you want me to upload that for you, I'll upload that and make sure that you can download it. And I'll probably put that in the community tab. So if you want that, let me know. I'll just upload that for you. If it's easy. It's you can do that with your own drawing, or you can just get like a drawing of a butterfly anywhere, and then just print it out and then do that. But this is what it looked like after I went and put a clear layer of a thin layer of UV resin on it, and I use the Judiction resin to do that. Now I'm gonna be using the resin dip to kind of dip the ring of the butterfly to do this, because the resin dip is like a film. It's like thicker than regular resin, and it will like kind of close any hole that the regular UV resin then completely, because I have a lot of vents on and I end up with like a little bit of holes here and there. So using the resin dip, that will, because it's a film, it's kind of completely close any hole that I have, so you have like a nice, smooth layer of the clear resin. Now you need to have that because I'm gonna be using a temporary tattoo sticker to do the color of the butterfly ring. If you were like painting, the butterfly rings, every single one of the veins, you don't have to do the resin. You can just do your color directly on the resin tape. But I'm using the tattoo to do this, and I wanted to use that tattoo because I wanted to do like a blue purplish butterfly, and I love the look of that butterfly and that sticker. I have bought like a bunch of stickers, and I bought them on Amazon, guys. Make sure you check the Amazon link down below. Everything that I use on in all my videos, I always make sure that I put them on the Amazon store for you guys, and all you have to do is just click it. It's just one place on Amazon that I put all the stuff that I use, and you can just go and get the link yourself, and you can buy it yourself on Amazon. But this is one of those tattoo that you just go and put a little bit of water on the back and then kind of remove the back, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Just a little bit of water, guys, and it worked perfectly. And that way you don't have to worry about putting color yourself, and it's easy, it's fast. So I just go ahead and wet a little bit of a paper towel, and then I just go ahead and pat it on the back, and you can see how it's easy to slide, and you have your color stay here. But because the color is quite sheer and I want the color to pop more, once I finish doing that, I will be putting white on the back of the part of the butterfly, because I'm not gonna leave the back of the butterfly with color. I'm gonna go ahead and add a lot of like gems on it. But if you're looking to have like a clear sheer butterfly, you can just leave it like this and then add resin on top of it, and you'll be done. But what I'm doing right now, I'm using a lavender flower with the same sticker flower, with the same temporary sticker that I have, and I'm using a lavender flower to kind of fill any hole, any gap that the butterfly ring tattoo didn't fill up. And I'm using the little flower because it'll make it look quite prettier, and also it's purple, and you also fill up any gap that I have. So I'm just gonna go over and add a little bit of like flower in every part that didn't have any color showing to them, and then repeating the same process again, stick it them, and then put a little bit of water on the back, and then remove the white part of the sticker, and then you end up with a beautiful butterfly. I want to do one that I'm just gonna be leaving clear, but I probably will not do it in a hair stick, maybe like a hair comb or something like this. We'll see. It's something I'm thinking about. But I love the clear, the sheer, purpley blue that's like this on the butterfly, but that's not what I wanted to do this time. So I'm just adding a little bit of white acrylic paint and a little bit of white alcohol ink and a tiny little bit of UV resin, and I'm gonna go over that. And I use 2-coat because I wanted the back to be quite solid. This is what it looked like after I put the white on it. You can see the white peeking through a little bit, and then now we're gonna go ahead and add some blinging to it. And because if you look at a butterfly, you'll see that they have like some almost like scale on them, and some of them are bigger and some of them are quite sheer and thin, and almost like glittery. So for the bigger scale that's showing on the butterfly, I'm just gonna go and add those on the outer edges of the ring, and I'm using those little holographic glitter stuff, and all I do is use a little bit of clear resin, and then I'm just gonna take some pieces of different colors, and now we're gonna add all over just the edges of the ring. We don't want to go too much on those because we want to have the sheer clear, very fine one all over the ring. And for the clear sheer one that we're gonna be adding, the very fine one, I'm gonna be using the Marabou ink, alcohol ink in the color rainbow. I absolutely love this alcohol ink, guys. I love this alcohol. It's so beautiful, and it makes everything pop a little more. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have to stock up on some more because I use it in like everything. Like whenever I'm doing a color, if I want to have the color have a little bit more pop on it, I'll add just one drop, and a little bit goes a long way. It's like really change everything, all your colors. I love it. So I'm just gonna use that on clear, guys, just on clear resin. We're gonna not gonna be adding any other color to it, and we're gonna go ahead and put like a very nice thick coat of it all over the ring, and that's gonna give you the very shimmery glittery type that the butterfly rings have. If you ever hold a butterfly, guys, if you touch a butterfly, and you will see that in your fingers, you'll see those like very shiny almost like fine glitter that's left behind if you ever touch a butterfly rings. So I want to create the same thing because I want to make the butterfly look quite like very real looking. And once we finish doing that, we're gonna go ahead and cure that. I cure it for like 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, and now we're gonna go ahead and add, create the butterfly body. And to create the butterfly body, I'm gonna be using some gem, and I use like a champagne color. And then for the head, we're gonna be using a small round or square ish pink one, because we wanted to make everything very nice and pretty. But before we do that, after I went and added the marabou rainbow color all over the butterfly ring to create the shimmery glittery side of it, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a very nice thick coat of resin on top of everything to kind of seal everything and make it more sturdy. Now I'm using just my regular resin dip. This is not like a resin dip that the film one. This is just like a regular Judiction UV resin that I pour on a black pot, and I use it to kind of coat my any piece that I make. And this is the final coat that I always do. So I use that and then do a very nice thick coat on it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use those different gems to bling the back. I want the back to be completely bling. I don't want any color. I don't want to leave the white like this. The white's gonna be peeking through a little bit on it, but not a lot, because we want the back of it to be a very blingy. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and once we finish doing that, and you can see on the back I didn't add the gems all the way to the bottom, because you want to have a flat surface to be able to glue it to your hair stick. So after I finish gluing it to the hair stick, then I'll go and add gems around it to make sure I finish adding gems. But you cannot do that before, otherwise you won't be able to have it glued to your hair stick, because you want a flat surface. Now I'm creating the body of the butterfly. I had 2 gem of the champagne color one, and then I'm gonna add the little pink head, and I'm using like a flower look a little flower stem to kind of create the butterfly antenna, and I kind of bend it in the middle, and it's like it's almost like a greenish, but it's like a blue greenish. It look really nice. Now first I went and wanted to make it gold, but I ended up removing it and leave it just as it is. I had changed this one because I didn't like the gold on it. So but later on off camera I went and removed it and added another one and left it with the green one, just like this. And once we finish doing that, guys, the butterfly is almost ready. All I have to do now is cut the wires, because don't cut the wire before you do all this, because the wire kind of help you hold the butterfly up and put resin on it and do all this. So once I finish, I cut the wire and then I glue it to my stick, and I didn't want the butterfly to stay straight up, so I kind of make it sideways, like almost it's like flying sideways, and then I put it to my stick, and then I finish adding the gems on the back, and that's it. It's super easy. Also for the back, because you adding the gem, I also added another piece of the champagne color on the back to give it it will give you the illusion of another butterfly, but a more blingy one. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. But until then, you know the drill. Be blessed and stay blessed. Bye, guys. Mwah.